Hi there, it's Shell and Clint.
Hey guys.
So, I don't really have anything planned for you guys today, but I did get a package a few minutes ago, and I just wanted to share some items. This is what Clint got me for my birthday. Isn't that cute? It's a wrought iron welcome sign.
I'm such a big spender.
We just kind of buy whatever we feel like, and then it's really hard to buy Christmas gifts or birthday gifts. But he saw this and thought of me, and then it is November the 1st, and he's making my birthday dinner and cake in a few minutes because we had to work yesterday. So it was either yesterday or today, or yeah. So anyways, so yeah, for my birthday I had a donut and McDonald's. Not the best birthday meal, huh? But he did find this for me, and that's really cute. And then my friend Jan just sent me some stuff, and she was just telling me about some stuff she sent me. Let's see if there's a card. Thank you, Jan. Look, it came. Holy moly. Now, is this sari silk? Because I've never had sari silk, so I'm not sure. And she may have written a note. Wait, here's a card. Here's a card. Okay, let's open the card first. I learned from Gail that you're supposed to open the card first. I don't think my mom ever told me that. Okay, so let's see if she has a note in here. She is the sweetest lady, and we were talking about how her and I would be crafting soulmates.
Oh, definitely.
I love her. She's so sweet.
She is too. She's in.
Aw,
No.
I love you, Jan. Hope you're feeling well. She had surgery a while back.
Oh, that's neat. I like that.
Isn't that sweet? I'm pretty sure she made it.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But yeah, I think this is probably sari silk. Is that what it is, Jan?
Sari silk.
Sorry, it's S-A-R-I silk. If it is, I don't know, because I've never had it. But I felt of some items
Looks
like this.
silk.
Yeah, so I don't know. The cats are over there knocking things
Well,
on the
it's the
floor.
little girl.
Oh, you guys know. Never
Little
a dull
Jazzy.
moment.
She is a doll.
Look at this cute. Hold on.
Seriously?
Sorry about that. It rang one time, and then I guess they didn't want to talk to us because they hung up. So.
Quite all right.
Yes. Oh, how funny. Starbucks. Whenever we have Starbucks, I always tell Clint, take the things off and keep them. Thanks, Jen. That's awesome. Now I don't have to buy so many Starbucks, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so sweet. Look at all this stuff she did. These are some tea bags.
Nice.
It's kind of like fill your own tea bag. I think I have a few of these, but not coffee dyed or tea dyed. I can't tell. They kind of smell tea dyed, maybe like a mint. Glassine. Oh, you're so sweet, Jan. She is a sweetheart. She's one I definitely look forward to talking to.
Oh, definitely.
Daily. This is, look at these bags. Those are gorgeous. Thank you, Jan. You are so sweet. So sweet. Oh, here's something. Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Some tags she made. Those are sweet. I love those. Thank you, Jan. And I love that they're in this little bag. They just fit like perfectly in here. Okay. I love this. I've been recycling tissue paper because, like, if I send out a journal or something, I wrap it in tissue paper if I don't, rip it all to pieces. But yeah, I just haven't really been doing a lot. I have another neck ache, so it was kind of been a rough day. Look at these. Those are pretty. I was just thinking I really want to start Christmas, and I want to use some really bright white lace in a journal instead of like the vintage looking. So these are going to be perfect, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're kind of iridescent. I'm trying to get it, but I don't think you can. But yeah, it's kind of iridescent. That's kind of fun. Thank you, Jan. You're so sweet. I can't wait to meet you. I know we will. Look at those. Those are pretty. Wow. Wouldn't that be a pretty pocket inside a journal?
Yeah, it would.
Like that. Thank you, sweetie. Such a sweetheart.
Hi, baby. Yeah.
I haven't really talked to her this summer because she babysits her granddaughter. So she's like, I'm so glad when summer leaves so I can watch more videos. But I tell you, grandchildren time is special time, isn't it? Oh, look at these.
Oh,
just
neat.
little scraps and stuff, it looks like. Okay, I have to look at them all. Oh, they're little envelopes.
Well, she was busy, wasn't she?
She's been really busy making all these cute little envelopes.
Betty, seriously.
Those are so adorable. Thank you, Jan. You know I love the tiny envelopes. And I was just thinking that I really need to make some more. Here's a little matchbook. Yeah. That's cute and so simple. Looks like it was a index card.
Aw.
What, the baby
She
girl?
does want love from Bubba.
Aw. The cats really haven't
They're starting to. but
accepted her that much yet, the baby, and so
Betty part has it.
she goes up to them and she puts her head down to them so they can clean her head and stuff, and they all walk off. It's really sad.
She's getting better for her, though.
I don't think I've seen anyone cleaning her up or anything yet,
Not
though.
yet, but
It's only been like 3 days, though, so it hasn't been that long. 3 or 4.
we'll take care of her.
Yeah. But boy, she's made herself right at home,
Oh, Lord.
Miss Jazzy Lynn. Yeah, she gets right in the middle of everything, so she'll be fine. I like it when they kind of get a buddy and kind of, you know, have someone to snuggle up to. And oh, these are pretty. Ooh,
That's
nice. This is like a parchment, not a parchment. Is it? Can't think. And then corrugated cardboard. Those are awesome. You're so sweet. Thank you, Jan. You know I'd like this. Because if she likes it, you know I would like it, right?
Betty! Oh, Lord.
Let's see. Reproductions from my mom's vintage postcard collection. Ooh.
How neat.
Oh,
that's
wow.
neat,
Those are
isn't it?
gorgeous. I'm fixing to do a Santa journal, and these would be gorgeous in there. Oh, so pretty.
Betty, what is wrong?
Kitty cats. Easter greetings. Oh, look at that cat. That one almost looks like Sophia. Are you waiting for me? That's cute.
Aw.
Those are gorgeous. Thank you. So sweet. I always say I have the best subscribers and friends and family and my YouTube family. I did get a couple of cards today, but I forgot where I put them. I thought I set them on my table and they're not there, and so I was going to show you the one my friend Anna made, but I don't know where I put it. Oh, awesome. I've never really gotten any of these, so these are perfect. Breathe, imagine, destiny. Those are perfect. Thank you, Jan. I love them. These are so sweet. Wow. Kind of thinking about things I can do. Okay, thank you, baby. And then this feels like a book. Let's see what this is, though. She's so sweet. She put everything just all decorated or all wrapped up and stuff. Isn't that pretty? Is that metal? Feels like metal.
There's metal in me. Sure is.
Puke dress. That is beautiful. I have to think about that. That is awesome. I love that.
Yeah.
Puke, a dark color between russet and black. Puce. Reddish brown. So is it called puce? I don't know. Roberta rather liked it when her coffee was served with a feather. The rising of cream on the surface of a cup of tea or coffee. That's interesting. Does it say? Didn't really say how to pronounce it or anything. Jarvis drove his cows to the aquarium for a drink. A watering place for cattle. Yeah, pretty much a stock tank. Look, Edward, there are so many more Frenchmen living in this neighborhood than there used to be, exclaimed Dorothy, nodding toward a group of Asian shopkeepers. Anciently used for every stranger. How fun! Those are awesome.
That's neat.
Altered English knowledge cards.
Oh.
That's what they're called.
That's pretty cool.
Those are
That's
awesome. I
really
love
neat.
that. And then book. I can't get it. I'm just gonna rip. I'm just gonna rip it. It's an old book.
I wonder if it's,
A book of famous travelers.
Oh,
How
that's neat. Look
awesome
at
is
that
that?
line.
Look at the spine.
that's pretty.
Wow.
That's neat.
You know, my sister, I was talking to her this morning, and she said that she's always getting, like, coins and receipts and stuff from, like, all these places because, you know, they do the backpacks. And she said, I was wondering if you'd want the receipts. She said, I usually put them on my desk and toss them after a while. And I was thinking, you know, that'd be so cool. You could do, like, a, page, like a collage page for inside a book or something.
that's
That would be
good.
really cool if she'd save them. So, this is so cool.
That's neat.
Thank you, Jan. You were so sweet. So sorry this journal, or this, ooh, that's pretty, video isn't all that long. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my cards I got today. So I got one from my friend Marilyn. Thank you, Marilyn. And then check this one out. It's from my friend Donna. She lives just up the road from me, and I met her on YouTube, from YouTube. And it's the squirrel with the little nut.
Oh, that's neat.
She makes the cutest cards. Thank you, Donna. You know I love you.
Cool, isn't it?
So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and come back tomorrow for a new video. We are putting up daily videos.
She
And-
doesn't feel up to her outfit.
Yeah.
I have some
Well,
stuff
I just
that-
have a headache and I just don't feel all that great. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.